Let's hope this rain, it's only like a shower. No, it's that fine stuff that gets you wet through. It's wet rain. We got wet rain. Backing away. Last time you'll hear that. Now then, welcome to the video. Before we start this one, I've got a big announcement. Yes, if you've been with us since the beginning of our journey on Narrowboat Laura, you'll have watched 100 episodes of this drivel. Well, by the end of this one you will have. So I'd just like to say to all you, new, old, even first timers, thanks for watching. Let's crack on with the video. Well, it's 20 past 8 at night. It's Thursday. Tomorrow morning, well, at least I hope tomorrow morning, I forgot to ring John the engineer up to see if he's coming. Well, tomorrow morning my engine's coming out, which is not a big problem, but I ain't done nothing about it. So 20 past 8, I'm going to make a start. I've got to strip out all the stuff. In fact, I'll show you exactly what I've got to strip out. Yeah, well, this is a usual familiar sight in the engine room of Narrowboat Laura. Narrowboat Laura even. Narrowboat Laura. Yeah. An engine room full of junk. And not only have I got to get rid of all of this junk, but I've also got to get rid of all of this staging and the metalwork that goes underneath it. It's a big job. It's going to take me forever, and I've not had my tea yet, so I better crack on. I would film this from the outside, but it's blowing a hoolie and pouring with rain. British summers are a sight to behold. Oh. This is where we normally sit. It's the saloon, or a lounge to you landlubbers. Anyway, this is where we're bunging all the stuff, so this has to get out of the way, and we're going to fill it all up. Tango is not going to be very happy, are you, mate? He's a good lad. He hates anything messing about like this. Right. Oh. Bit more space. Let's go and empty the back room, eh? Sorry, mate. Using this as a template for our dinette, which is going over there. Anything that's weatherproof will go on the front deck. It's a big chunk of it moved. Just got some other bits and bobs to do now. I've got some framing to take out, which I'll do now. That's all the deck boards out, as you can see. I've still got some rubbish over there. That's the battery box underneath all that stuff there. And then there's just some junk and an old battery there which I need to move out. I can do that first thing in the morning. This is the metal thing that needs shifting. There's one either side. I'm hoping that he doesn't need this board up that I'm looking at here. I can do it, but I'll probably do it in the morning. I'll need to ask him really. He might be able to get, because it's just bits of stuff down there that need to be moved. I'm assuming this just, yeah, it just lifts up, so I could probably take that up in the morning first thing. And all that junk's got to be moved out of there. It's a big job this, but I've got to get this framework out. Once I got that out, I think we'll be cooking with gas then. Well, that's all the metal work out. It makes a hell of a lot of room actually. So like I say, I've just got the rubbish to remove tomorrow morning first thing, after I've moved the boat and after I've contacted John. There's all that lot under there as well. And then I can remove this tomorrow morning after we've moved the boat and he's got full access to everything round there. Well, he said it's only a couple of pipes and a couple of wires. Undoes them and off it goes, out it comes. Big day. I'm going to bed. Well, I'm going to take Tango for a walk, then I'm going to bed. Well, it's moving day. Our final day of moving with this engine, to be honest. I've just got to go over there. As soon as John gets hold of me and tells me where to go. Yeah, it's going to be a few weeks before we move again, so better make the most of it. As ever, the weather has changed lovely. It's raining. Wind's dropped though, so it's not too bad. Let's hope this rain, it's only like a shower. No, it's that fine stuff that gets you wet through. It's wet rain. We got wet rain. My pants are always falling down. I'm losing weight. Oh. Well, John's turned up, so time to take the boat over for her engine out. Fucking away. Last time you'll hear that.
something, do you? Yeah. You'll do.
There we are, that's the end of that. Is that enough out for you, or do you need that bit of floor out?
No, we'll manage.
Granddad's out. Leave you to it, eh? Do you want a brewer out, or are you alright?
No, we're alright, cheers, mate.
It's a sad day. Last look at my engine. Well, John's gone with Narrowboat Laura's engine. It's quite roomy in here now, and the boat's out of the water quite a way. What I might do is paint the bottom while it's there, because usually it's underwater. But anyway, yeah, there she is, empty. Well, full of liquid actually, but better get that out. There we go, Narrowboat Laura's engine is out, done and dusted. It's a bit of a mess in that engine room, so I'm going to have to clean it up. I'm also thinking about painting it, but that's for the next video. What colour do you reckon I'm going to do? Yeah, it's not one you'd expect. Anyway, that's everything on my list. I reckon we'll call it a draw for this one. Thanks for watching. Till next time.